Transform your old picture into a stunning cinematic portrait. Here's how to do it with ChatGPT in just 5 steps. Step 1. Upload your photo. Start a new chat and upload a clear photo of the person. Step 2. Enter the prompt. Type this full prompt. Create a hyper-realistic close-up portrait of a young man's full face, partially submerged in calm water. His features glisten with moisture as droplets and tiny bubbles cling to his skin and lightly tousled, damp hair. Soft blue and pink neon lighting bathes the scene, casting vivid reflections across his wet face and highlighting every detail, from the subtle stubble along his jawline to the intense, focused look in his eyes. The blend of light, texture, and water creates a dreamlike, cinematic mood that feels both intimate and surreal. Step 3. Wait a little bit whilst ChatGPT generates and does the magic. ChatGPT will create a stunning image with lighting and water effects. Step 4. Save your image. Once it's done, download your image or ask for a variation. Step 5. That's a bonus step. Haha, we are done. You've made a pro-level portrait using only ChatGPT. No Photoshop needed. Follow for more easy AI design tips.